In the heart of a vibrant village, a cunning tortoise moved gracefully, known for her charm and cleverness. Amidst towering trees, the tortoise paused, her stomach growling at the sight of a proud bird perched above with a piece of suya. With eyes fixed on the suya, the tortoise devised a sly plan, knowing flattery could be her greatest tool. The tortoise greeted the proud bird with sweet charm, praising his majestic appearance and enchanting voice. Pride swelled within the bird as he soaked in the tortoise's praise, feeling invincible and eager to sing. The bird began to sing, his enchanting voice echoing through the forest as the tortoise watched keenly. As the bird reached the height of his song, the suya slipped from his beak, tumbling towards the ground. The tortoise lunged forward, triumph filling her heart as she scooped up the fallen suya, savoring her victory. Confusion washed over the bird as he realized he had been outsmarted, his pride bruised by the clever tortoise. The bird reflected on his gullibility, vowing to be more cautious in the future as the tortoise reveled in her victory. In her cozy corner, the tortoise relished the suya, her heart filled with joy, yet pondering the bird's trust. As the sun set, the bird reflected on his pride, realizing that flattery could lead to foolishness. The next day, the tortoise ventured cautiously, knowing the forest held many surprises and the bird was watching. Days passed as the tortoise and bird observed each other, their playful banter replaced with newfound respect. One afternoon, the bird approached the tortoise, offering a piece of fruit, seeking to learn from their past encounter. The tortoise smiled, accepting the gesture, marking the beginning of a new friendship as they shared the fruit.